Model, 2006 Peugeot Expert 2.0 Hdi Jiffy Catering Van Mobile Buisness ready to make money. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 192217. MOT, the 1st of November 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 BTED+. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. The rear of this van has been converted into Jiffy van, fully equipped to start making you money. Everything from the kitchen sink to a fridge, it has it all. Grab a bargain. Features, 3 former keepers, wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.